Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the item and tools, pick up the battery immediately and inspect both terminals for corrosion. Once done, have a screwdriver or wire cutter in hand so you can open the device housing without fumbling. Make sure the flashlight is at a safe brightness, about 25%, to identify positive and negative markings. This prevents wrong orientation. If the battery is damaged, don't force it, because that will break clips or electronics, which wastes the item and time. You now fit the battery into the target device. First, match the positive and negative symbols so orientation is correct. Then, align the flat edge to the slot and slide the battery in smoothly, because forcing it can bend contacts. Once it seats, you should hear a click or feel minimal resistance. That confirms contact. After that, close the housing and secure screws, tighten firmly but not so hard that you strip threads. This preserves the device for later use. You finish by powering the device and confirming operation. Flip the switch or press the activation button and look for lights, sounds, or meter movement to verify power. If nothing happens, immediately recheck terminals for debris or corrosion, remove any obstruction, and reseat the battery. Sometimes a single reposition fixes it. If it still won't power, swap in a spare battery or inspect for a blown fuse. That one troubleshooting step usually separates a quick fix from a deeper repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.